Said you're mixing milk on the ginger. Whoa, Nana Kwadu, watch your way special. Say we better niada, and for one in your baby subscribe to Nana. No bema when you need you. Say Nana Januaria, Nana Kwadu, why special? Say Nana Januaria, Nana Kwadu, why special? Say Nana Januaria, Nana Kwadu.
Hello, welcome to my channel, the Nakwedu Special. And you know me, Mama Kwaba. Today I'm back with another video. I'm gonna teach you my popular, delicious donuts. Yes, you've seen this video before in my very first video. So this time I have a twist. I'll add some coconut flakes and I'll add some vanilla extract, which I think makes it just a little bit more delicious. So for the measurement, you can check my first video and check the subscription, and there I'll show you what you need. So without wasting much time, I'm already mixing my dry ingredients together, some baking powder, my flour. I'll add my sugar to that, and on the side I'll mix my wet ingredients, so my eggs, some water, the vanilla aroma, and after that I'll mix them all together and start frying them. So if you don't want the coconut flakes, you can just leave that out. Check out my first video and I'll explain how to get those delicious donuts without the coconut flakes. So one of the important points of getting your perfect donuts is making sure your oil is medium hot. not too hot and it shouldn't be lukewarm. It should be like medium hot. You can see I've got my right temperature. And that's how you get that nice soft donut in the inside and crunchiness on the outside. They're nice and golden brown. They look and smell delicious. Just look at that.
Said you're mixing milk on the ginger. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Nana Kwedu, watch your way special.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Special.